after ay binisita tayo ng ating mga teammates mula sa Perlas ng Silangan Basketball Leagues. Makakasama ko ngayon, of course, si Sir Christian Ensomo at si Sir Nato Agbayani, ang founder and co-founder naman si Sir Nato. Magandang umaga po, gentlemen.
Good morning, good morning.
Thank you for coming this morning on a Monday.
On a Monday, it's a pleasure.
Pero pag-usapan po natin itong inyong liga.
But it's a group of people who shares the same vision and the same passion. I think logistically it's a nightmare to set up this kind of league. So, but yun nga, with the help of people who shares the vision, so we are currently on 12 regions right now, this season 1, and hopefully by next season, we will cover the whole of the league.
Playing all at the same time. So simultaneously meron mga games. So once they qualify, buo na kasi yung mga teams eh. Like what you're showing now is like, I think this is Northern Mindanao. So we have everywhere talaga. And then once they qualify, they do their own tryouts, then they have their own team. So kasi natin, for sports, but for total, parang ang tagline na namin is building champions in life.
Right, wow.
So it's not just the sport, it's also the mental toughness. We have coaches, we have life coaches joining.
Wow.
We have other organizations on mental health na nakakatulong during the overall conduct of the game. And then there's values formation also.
Plus the values that they've shown us, yun kasi yung gusto namin i-share din sa mga bata. So they look up to Rodney and see that this is how a player should be. So yun din yung nakita namin sa kanya, hence why he's the commissioner.
Yung iba-iba pong regions, mapapanood nyo, Perlas na Silangan Basketball League, then just press or add the region na Northern Mindanao, Zamboanga, etc. So, subaybayan nyo po kami.